A number of years ago, Scott flew to Denmark for a job he could have found in Massachusetts. He hasn't been back since. John is Scott's closest friend from college. He visited Scott one last time before his departure and was quite sad. They sometimes call and mail each other, but usually they just imagine how each other's doing. From time to time, they remember their last real conversation together. However, their memories, like all memories, have changed. Scott imagines this moment during the evening. John imagines it in the day. Though their meeting was rather uneventful, they've treasured this ever-changing memory in their hearts.
Man, I can't believe it. It's the end. The end of the adventures of John and Scott. The denouement.
Yeah. But wait, what's the word you just said?
Denouement.
I think it's pronounced denouement.
Denouement. Is that French?
Yeah.
Denouement. Denouement.
Last night at the knob.
Yup.
I hate this. I hate that it's gotta be like this. I'm kinda hungry.
Oh. This one's cursed.
I think I've become worse as a person, honestly.
College isn't everything.
Yeah, but I still wish I could just start everything over, you know? There's so much I'd like to do differently.
Like, not dating?
Well, no, I think I still would have liked to have dated, just,
Not with her.
yeah. For you.
No, for you.
No, for you. I think I need to be a better person.
Yeah.
I mean, I think I was hurt by it a lot, but it shouldn't make me feel this way, you know?
Yeah.
And if I still feel like this all the way over in Denmark, then I'm the loser.
Yeah. Yeah, you are the loser. Just kidding.
Once I, make some money, I'll settle down and meet someone nice and, make a family.
Yeah. Wait, are you gonna live there forever?
I'm not really sure yet. Probably not.
So, are you coming home for Christmas?
Probably not, but I'll try to.
I had this dream like 2 weeks ago.
Was that the one about the Ferris wheel girl?
No, it wasn't. It wasn't that one. So we were chatting at the knob, and I was there, you were there, and then I stopped talking, and then you stopped talking, and then suddenly I was seeing you from where the sun was setting, and I was crying a lot.
Huh.
I'm gonna miss you a lot, Scott.
I'm gonna miss you a lot too.
John died a decade later due to a mysterious disease. Scott attended his funeral and delivered his eulogy. As time passed and Scott grew older, he had trouble remembering that day at the knob. All he remembered was a sense of loneliness and an egg.